Throughout history, the most successful artists, athletes, and inventors have unlocked their potential using a powerful, secret technique. What sets these legends apart from the rest of us? It's not talent or luck. It's their mastery of this transformative method. Imagine having the ability to turn your dreams into reality, to rise from poverty to wealth, or to transform sickness into vibrant health. This technique, often kept hidden from the average person, holds that incredible power. Napoleon Hill, the great thinker, called it mankind's greatest sin to neglect this extraordinary asset. He proclaimed that by harnessing this technique, you can attain everything you desire, abundance beyond your wildest dreams. He didn't say within reason, he said everything in abundance. Stay tuned to the end of this video and I will show you step by step how to use this secret technique to achieve everything you've ever wanted in your life. But first, here's what a few people you may know have to say about it.
When people talk about visualization,
how does visualization help with that?
You wrote a lot about visualization.
Visualizing.
I visualized.
Visualized.
My dreams and visualizing kind of really played a role into making me motivated and helping me achieve the goals that I have.
It is everything for me. I literally sat down 2-3 months before and I've made a decision in my head that practicing regularly, there are visuals running in my head, me dominating that bowler.
I had to envision it, because if I didn't, I wouldn't be here. So not only did I envision it so much, so clearly and so precisely in my head that I'm here now.
and visualization is it's a huge factor in improving technical skills.
Imagine being able to see your vision in your mind's eye as if it's already real. This is what the most successful people throughout history have mastered. It's like tuning into a different frequency on your TV or radio. Just as you change the channel to see a different show, you can change your mind's frequency to attract your desires. Your mind acts as an electromagnet. When you charge it with a clear, vivid image of what you want, you change your frequency and magnetize those desires to you. No more chasing after your dreams, they start chasing you. This concept goes beyond the law of attraction. It's known as the law of assumption, first introduced by Neville Goddard. Goddard said, "Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and continue therein, and the universe has no choice but to harden your assumption into present fact." It's not just about believing in your dreams. It's about believing them into existence. Instead of broadcasting your desires, simply assume you already have them. This creates a powerful déjà vu effect where you mentally rehearse success and then experience it in reality. And here's the best part. This isn't an inborn talent. It's a skill you can learn, and I'll show you exactly how at the end of this video. But first, let's hear from some iconic figures who have used this technique. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could change your life forever.
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is. And I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever.
This was in like 1987, 85,
yeah.
So didn't you write yourself a check? I heard that
Yeah.
you did. Is that
I
true?
wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995, and I put it in my wallet and I kept it there, and it deteriorated and stuff, but then just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million on, I think it was Dumb and Dumber. Maybe.
Dumb and Dumber, yeah. So you visualize yourself like...
Imagine a world where success isn't just a dream, but a reality crafted by the power of the mind. These remarkable individuals understood this truth and tapped into the essence of the law of assumption to forge their paths to greatness. But you might wonder, is there scientific evidence to support this? Well, yes, let me take you back to 1996, where Dr. Bia Soto from the University of Chicago conducted a groundbreaking study. Dividing participants into 3 groups, Soto explored the impact of visualization on basketball free throws. The results were astounding. While the group that physically practiced improved by 24%, the group that solely visualized saw a remarkable 23% improvement without ever touching a basketball. And it doesn't stop there. In another fascinating study, individuals practiced piano exercises solely in their imagination, mirroring the brain activity of those physically practicing. This proves the profound connection between imagination and reality. Our brain can't differentiate between the two. Think about it. Einstein famously proclaimed that imagination is greater than knowledge, a sentiment echoed in scientific findings. From increasing bicep strength without lifting a weight to overcoming performance anxiety, visualization is a game changer. Now here's the moment you've been eagerly anticipating: how to harness the incredible power of visualization for success in every aspect of your life. Whether it's amassing $10 million like Jim Carrey, conquering stage fright, or navigating the complexities of dating, it's all achievable with just 10 minutes a day. Begin by finding a comfortable spot to sit or lie down and enter a state of deep relaxation. Visualize the numbers. 3, 2, 1. To transition into the alpha brain state, where creativity and learning flourish. Then, immerse yourself fully in the environment of your desired outcome. The key lies in vivid detail. See yourself overcoming challenges and reaching success, infused with intense emotion. Engage all your senses. Feel the wind, smell the grass, hear your breath, as if you're living the moment in real time. Finally, embrace the feeling of having already achieved your goal with enthusiasm and belief. Practiced for just 10 to 20 minutes daily, this technique can transform you into a magnet for abundance. Remember, everything around you originated from the human mind, proving that imagination creates reality. Shift your mindset to match the vibration of success, as Neville Goddard famously said. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and the universe will manifest it into reality.